May oras na. Wala pa, be. Okay, for our first question. Pens up. Up po lahat. Sige, ganito yung answer ninyo, pwede nyo iharap nyo sa akin mamaya, tapos pakita nyo rin sa audience. Pwede nyo iikot para makita nila kung ano yung sinagot ninyo. Okay? For our first question, what is the first book of the New Testament? What is the first book of the New Testament? A. Genesis. B. Exodus. C. Matthew. D. Malachi. A. Genesis. B. Exodus. C. Matthew. D. Malachi. Go! Wala pa. Pumiyok pa. Oh, boards up.
Okay, boards up. Harap ka na dito. Ikot.
Ikot. At ang tamang sagot ay letter C, Matthew. Okay. So wait, ganito wala mo nang magbubura hanggat hindi ko ina-acknowledge yung answer ninyo. So babanggitin ko, kunwari, Makati, Team A, letter C, correct? Binangonan, Team A, letter C, correct? Makati, Team B, para alam ninyo na nabasa ko yung sagot ninyo. Okay po? Tsaka para alam nila kung ano yung letter na sinulat nyo. Walang tinta. Kawawa naman kayo. Wala. Eto pa lang letter. Eh? Oh. Final na to official na. For our e-serial. First question.
Hands up.
Hands up.
Hands up.
On Matthew 2, verse 1 to 2, where was Jesus born? Where was Jesus born? A. Nazareth. B. Bethlehem. C. Jerusalem. D. Galilee. A. Nazareth. B. Bethlehem. C. Jerusalem. D. Galilee. Go! Words up. At ang tamang sagot ay letter B, Bethlehem. Makati, Team A, sige harap, letter B, 1 point. Binangonan, Team A, letter B, 1 point. Makati, Team B, letter B, 1 point. BPC Bulacan, 1 point. Binangonan, 1 point. So, congrats sa inyo. Tama ang inyong sagot. Lahat kayo meron 1 point. Sige, pwede na burahin. Oh. Ayan. So, pag sagot nyo, ipaliktad nyo daw para walang silipaan ng sagot. Number 2.
Hands up.
Number 2. Who was the giant Philistine warrior defeated by David with a sling and a stone? Who was the giant Philistine warrior defeated by David with a sling and a stone? A. Saul. B. Samson. C. Goliath. D. Jonathan. A. Saul. B. Samson. C. Goliath. D. Jonathan. Go!
Boards up.
Okay, so lahat kayo, ang sagot ay letter C. At ang tamang sagot ay letter C, Goliath. So lahat ay mayroong point sa number na ito. Pagpakan nyo naman, kasi nakakasagot sila.
Guys, nandito yung mga score.
Ayan, nakikita nyo ang score.
Parang maski sila, natatense din talaga no? Pero guys mga audience, makikabalang tayo. Wala pong
No coaching,
please.
Makikabalang. Okay, number 3. Who was the brother of Moses who served as the spokesperson? Up.
Hands up.
Who was the brother of Moses who served as the spokesperson due to Moses' speech impediment? Who was the brother of Moses who served as the spokesperson due to Moses' speech impediment? A. Aaron. B. Joshua, C. Caleb, D. Joseph. A. Aaron, B. Joshua, C. Caleb, D. Joseph. Go!
Hago. Boards up. Boards.
So lahat po sila ay may sagot na letter A. Dahil ang tamang sagot ay letter A. Aaron. So lahat with this question, meron yung score. Okay.
Medyo dikit yung laban nila. Halos pare-pare
Dikit talaga.
Hindi pala dikit, pare-pare.
Okay, number 4.
Pens up.
Up. Up na lahat. Oh. Number 4. In which city did Joshua and the Israelites march around, causing its walls to collapse? In which city did Joshua and the Israelites march around, causing its walls to collapse? A. Jericho, B. Nineveh, C. Babylon, D. Jerusalem. A. Jericho, B. Nineveh, C. Babylon, D. Jerusalem. Go! What's up? Be, sana maintindihan ko yung signal ninyo, Be.
Parang
Ano ba?
Parang may spaceship na ba?
Parang hindi ko alam kung timer yun. Okay. Sige, wait lang. Kaya, up lang up lang.
Akala ko may spaceship na ba?
Ewan ko. Ang tamang sagot ay, wala mo nang gawa ba? Letter A, Jericho. Wait lang, up lang.
Up lang.
Taas lang. So, 1 point for Makati A, Binangonan A, Makati B, at Binangonan B. No points for Bulacan. Okay? Next. Sige, pura na. Tapos, pencil up.
Pens up. Okay na po ba yung timer natin?
Okay na ba? Naka-decide na ng tunog?
Mamaya iba na yung tunog yan eh.
Number 5. What is up? Pens up.
Pens up.
Tapos, okay. Quiet on the set po.
Audience, pwede ba bang no promotion sa ninyo?
Quiet on the set po. Okay, number 5. What is the name of the sea that was miraculously parted for the Israelites to escape from Egypt? What is the name of the sea that was miraculously parted for the Israelites to escape from Egypt? A. Mediterranean Sea, B. Dead Sea, C. Red Sea, D. Sea of Galilee. A. Mediterranean Sea, B. Dead Sea, C. Red Sea, D. Sea of Galilee. Go!
Iba na naman.
Paiba-iba, remix pala.
Orchestra
Okay, words up, words up!
Boards up.
Orchestra
naman
Mapa-perfect nyo rin yan. Marami pa tayong number. Okay. At ang tamang sagot ay letter C, Red Sea. Okay? 1 point for Makati A, Binangonan A, Makati B, Binangonan B, no point pa rin po for Bulacan. Okay? Number 6. Pens up.
Pens up. Pababa na yung number.
Number 6. Up. Which disciple famously denied knowing Jesus 3 times? Which disciple famously denied knowing Jesus 3 times? A. Andrew, B. James, C. John, D. Peter. A. Andrew, B. James, C. John, D. Peter. Go!
Ano naman?
Ay, nasira. Sige, simula. Nasira yung pen. Okay, boards up. Up na. Okay, tingin. Okay, lahat silang may sagot na letter D. Dahil ang tamang sagot ay letter D, Peter. So lahat sila po ay merong point for this question. Number 7. Up, pens up po.
Pens up.